And the tracker that was to be used is what's known as the unified ID.
You had a note talking about Google delaying their mandate to eliminate or regulate cookies. And how does that affect some of the companies that you follow and that sector as a whole?
Yeah, so we cover a number of digital media businesses: Acuity Ads, BBTV, EQ Inc. But the company that it affects the most is Acuity Ads, and then also EQ Inc. Acuity is the larger company that recently listed in the NASDAQ as well. It's about a $750 million entity, and one of our sort of highlighted buys. The risk to advertising technology is that if the third-party cookie was retired, it would have to be replaced by another tracker. And the tracker that was to be used is what's known as the unified ID. I mean, there are a number of options being developed by various parties, but this was the lead alternative. And while the idea of unified ID was getting stronger, more and more people were signing on, it was being perfected, there are a lot of people in the industry who feel that it wasn't 100% ready. And the clock was ticking towards early 2022, which was when Google had said that they would retire the third-party cookie from Chrome. If that had happened, while I don't think the industry would have, changed dramatically permanently, there could have been some transitional problems, because the third-party cookie allows websites to track who their users are, not just with respect to their traffic within their website, but what other websites or what other platforms have you been on. It helps you create a profile of who you are so that ads can be served that are more suited to you, and thereby generating higher return on investment for the advertisers on your platform. So that whole system could have got disturbed if the third-party cookie was retired without a good alternative. And, it was just a big question mark. We didn't know how it was going to play out. Everybody, there were many opinions on it, but investors don't like that kind of uncertainty.
No.
Now, with this getting pushed out into late 2023, there's more than enough time for the unified ID and whatever other alternatives are out there to develop itself into a robust alternative.